Hello, judges. I am here to present the Gemma Data Assistant, a project designed to solve data science inequality, creating a powerful, private, and completely offline AI data scientist for everyone. The problem is very clear. Professional data analysis is often not possible for everyone. Cost, privacy, or the knowledge or the information. So to solve that issue, first I want to show you the complete, well-documented project. The stage is forward, install Ollama, pull the required models and other services. After cloning the repository, installing the dependencies in the single command, the entire system is ready. There's no complex configuration, no cloud accounts required. And let's launch the application by loading the whole folder into the Visual Studio Code so we can keep track of all the logs properly and beautifully presented. Now the app will launch directly. I'll start by uploading a dataset. In this case, a medical CSV file, breast cancer dataset, often used as a beginner for every data scientist. I'll ask a simple question in a plain English. Can you load the dataset for me and perform a general analysis? And quickly, the Gemma loaded me the list of tasks it will perform to perform the analysis on the dataset. The plan looks good. I'll approve it. The action triggers our second most powerful autonomous executor agent. The agent now completely on its own in the background works. As you can see, the live logs, our agent is thinking the generating Python code, executing in Jupyter kernel and saving the results. Even if healing mechanism, if it encounters an error, it uses a knowledge base to fix the code and try again. And all of these activity, agents, memory, chat logs, and generated notebooks data itself is happening securely on your local machine. Nothing is being sent to the cloud. And its done agent provides a final summary of its findings directly into the chat. But real deliverable is this: a complete publication quality Jupyter Notebook. Every step of the analysis is documented, every line of the code, production grade, and every output is clearly displayed. This isn't just an answer, it's a fully reproducible data science report. Gemma Data Assistant successfully provides a zero cost, 100% powerful data analysis experience, making it accessible to everyone and democratizes truly data science for everyone. Thank you for consideration and your time.